I just welded steel to brass, which I did not think was possible, but I'm going to show you that I am doing it. This is a magnet right here, and you can see this is non-magnetic. I figured it was some kind of electroplated brass alloy with steel inside of it, so I welded this washer to it here. I can use them for tire chains basically. And here's a regular steel bolt here, and here's my magnet, so you know that I'm not lying here. Same magnet. It's not magnetic at all. Nothing. There's not even the slightest steel alloy in there. I'm gonna weld it to steel. It acts a little funny. It flares up a little more, but it's welding and it's holding. Google says you can't weld steel to brass. This is 100% brass. You can see where the brass liquefied and like formed into the steel weld to a degree. I'm sure it won't be that strong, but it's not impossible. And I doubt you could make it look good. But maybe we're onto something here, boys. Yeah, it's not cracking or anything. Nuts. Learned something new today. Look at that. I don't know. Maybe somebody with a scientific brain or more knowledge than I have can explain this.